Hello students, the subject is e-commerce and let's see the future status of web-based business and role of websites in e-commerce today. Presently, millions of developers are creating and using web in their desktop, tablets, phones, televisions, automobiles, digital billboards, watches and everywhere. According to Tim Berners-Lee, very soon millions more sensors, appliances and other devices will take web to new places. We all know that internet has become lifeline of any business or any people. The current trend shows that the use of internet through mobile phones and other devices. So e-commerce is here to stay and we have to adapt ourselves to become smarter online buyers and sellers. He also mentioned that future of web is under the threat from government to misuse of their powers, businesses which try to destabilize open market and form criminal activity. So you all observed that a lot of cyber crimes are taking place. Your personal data are going to steal when you click on the link of some website. To avoid that, government is putting some restrictions on these activities. The future of web depends on normal people taking responsibility for tremendous resource and challenging those who seek to manipulate web against the public good. So it is the responsibility of people who using it. So people are responsible for making good use of website. While you browse, so that thing which you browse, that is also matters here. So if you are browsing against the country like for terrorism, so those aspects government will watch on you that it will have a spy and they will take action against you. So for that purpose, so people they have to use websites for good purpose and they have to challenge those people who are manipulating or who are making misuse of websites. Tim also mentioned that the improvements of infrastructure to provide additional functional, efficient and available service, web will play very vital role. So lot of improvement in the infrastructure are yet to be done. So all those improvements will give a very important role to websites. What is an e-commerce website? E-commerce websites are online portals that facilitate online transactions of goods and services through means of the transfer of information and funds over the internet. Through e-commerce website we can place orders for many goods and we can book services and also we can make payment for that also can be done through internet. In the early days e-commerce was done partially through emails and phone calls, but now with a single website anything and everything that a transaction needs can be executed online. So during initial days transactions were done through emails and phone calls. So this process has simplified now. So in a single website anything can be ordered and payment also can be done in that. There are different e-commerce websites for every field. The most common type is retail selling, but there are many other websites like auction websites, business to business services, auction websites like eBay, Bidder Boy. So they start to buy or sell items on rupees 1. So that auction will start from rupees 1 like that. Then business to business service websites like Alibaba, India Mart, Trade Fort, Gym Trade, Amazon Business. Then music portals like Ghana, Spotify.com, consultancy website like TCS, then finance management websites like LearnVest, Mint, The Birdie. So all these are the examples of different websites. What makes a good e-commerce website? If you're looking to start an e-commerce website, there are few things that you need to understand and keep it in mind to be successful in the game. That is, you should not make any mistake. So there are many online shopping website out there, and the top few are such great brands that they control most of the market share. So here, important thing you need to consider is design. So design matters here. So design should be simple and it should be attractive, and the service which you are providing or the information which you are providing, that should be simple and it should be easy to understand, and pages should be responsive. That is, it should be flexible for different screen sizes, because some may view it through mobiles or some may through laptops. So that pages should be responsible for any screen sizes. So otherwise, you will lose money because visitors are less. Top e-commerce websites. So there are some popular examples of e-commerce websites across the world. So the examples which I have given, it is not in order. So the top e-commerce websites are Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and Walmart, and some more. How to promote my e-commerce website? If you are having e-commerce website, how to promote it? Now, this does not mean other players don't stand a chance. If you have a small business, you can concentrate on your location, like city or state. You could also specialize in a particular line of products that sets you apart. Whatever the reason, you need to keep these points in mind to run your online store efficiently and successfully. So, you can do, if you are running a small business, you can do market penetration. That means you are going to focus on the area where you are actually working on. And with the same product. So the market penetration, the more importance is given to the product which you are producing, and same area you need to focus much. So there you are going to focus. First, your website should have a neat and clutter-free and user-friendly interface. Users should be able to find whatever they are looking for easily, maybe pricing, images, cards, copy, etc. So design is going to matter here. So designs of webs should be simple and easy to understand, and pages should be responsive for any device, and screen size, etc. And it should be clear. Your website loading time should be less. The images and copy of your products and services should be professional. Product photography is completely crucial to e-commerce success. People love to see what they are getting, and what they see is what makes them to decide. So if possible, include videos for important products. So nowadays, there are a lot of websites through which they are selling their products. So you have to make your websites more attentive or attractive, and by giving a product photography and reviews, you need to collect reviews from your customers, and when you deliver your product, customers may send a photography of the products which they have received, and you can upload a video of your products also. So all these things makes your website more informative, and people also will respond more. The purpose of e-commerce websites. The purpose of e-commerce website are to sell products to users. The most successful websites are carefully optimized to achieve a high percentage of purchases. Nowadays, delivery service has been improved a lot. So even people who are in rural areas, they'll get delivery to their home address or to their doorstep. So this may be because of websites also. So the percentage of purchases has improved a lot. To achieve success in e-commerce websites, they need to integrate all of the latest closing and upsell techniques available, which have been proven to increase the chance of visitors who are going to purchase. So you have to use all the latest techniques which will improve the chance of visiting website. There are many important elements that go into building a successful e-commerce website, such as removing friction during the purchasing process, making the checkout smooth and easy, making the website fast and attractive, nurturing the past buyers to buy again, remarking the past visitors who have not yet purchased, using proper payment options, etc. So, you have to do all these things in order to improve your sales. The purpose of service based business websites. The purpose of service based business website is to convince website visitors that they should become customers of the company. So this is done by positioning the company as a dependable, trustworthy and experienced service provider in the target market. So company has to prove themselves to get trust from the customers. So they have to serve better. So if customers are happy, they'll give good feedback. So the others may refer it. Visitors will pre-screen potential service providers by reviewing their websites before they make any phone calls. So before placing an order, they'll pre-screen. That means by looking at the feedback provided by the other customers, they are going to screen the service provided by the company. So during this process, they are trying to find the best company that will meet their specific needs. So they are going to search for many companies. So main thing is they will go for reading the feedback. So they are trying to ascertain how expert the company is and the quality of work they will receive, whether the provider has a good reputation and how long the company has been in business. So the existence of the company from many years, that is also going to be assessed by the buyer. So all these aspects will determine the customer whether to give order or not. Visitors can be helped by providing them with information and articles which demonstrate your knowledge, a visual portfolio of your work, videos, customer testimonials, and so on. So, in your website, you have to provide photos of your work or videos and customer feedback. All those things, if it is provided, it will help them to get to know about your company. The purpose of entertainment websites. These websites showcase entertaining information for visitors. Online magazines, gossip oriented website, celebrity news, sports coverage, movies, the arts, humorous websites, etc. These websites are designed to be easy to navigate and frequently updated in order to keep users coming back for more information. They can be made more engaging by using dynamic content such as videos and slideshows. So there are websites which are there for entertainment. So that websites can be you can see on the Facebook or any other. So they'll give what news magazines or some video clips. Everything will be there. So these are what entertainment websites. The purpose of informative or practical information websites. The purpose of an information centric website is to convey specific, helpful information to a specific user or audience so that reader learns something new or he understands a topic better. So you can see that through Google you are going to browse the things and other websites are there where you are going to browse information. So anything you put on that website, you will give anything you put on that app will give you the information. So these websites are geared around more actionable information and it may contain tips, tricks, fix and repair, guidance, support, information, directions, instructions, everything will be there in these websites. Purpose of blogs. The purpose of a blog is to provide a regularly updated website or web page, typically one run by an individual or small group, that is written in an informal or conversational style. So blogs, it can be created by individual or by small group. It contains written and conversational information. So blogs can be started up very easily online using a number of free services such as wordpress.com. So you can use you can make blog with this. So there are many personal and professional blogs out there that are containing entertaining to read and which give a very personal insight into a person's life. So you can make a blog of your personal life also. Blogs can be for entertainment purposes, or it can be used as an online journal, or used by companies to keep their customer abreast of what is going on. The hallmark of a blog is that it's very easy for an untrained person to maintain with little technical knowledge. The purpose of social media websites. The purpose of social media websites are to make it very easy to share and connect with friends, family, co-workers, acquaintances, and even strangers. So you can connect with people through social media very easily. Social media websites make quick and easy workouts of building up a network of connections so as to keep in touch, share daily experience, photos, interest, preferences, etc. So everything we can upload in a social media, and we are sharing our happiness in social medias. Social network can be used for both personal and commercial purposes. Businesses are social networks to build direct connections with their customers, which allows them to get feedback on their products and services and allows them to learn more about what their customers really need and want. So you can see there is a Facebook business page, and in WhatsApp also there is a business account you can create. So you can use social medias for business purposes as well as for personal purposes. So you can keep in touch with your customers very easily. Need professional website help. If you want to create a website, you can get help of this ClearTech Interactive. So no matter what kind of website you want to build, ClearTech Interactive has been building websites since 2003, and we can help you to build any kind of websites you need. So they are building websites. If you want to build a website, or if you want to create a website, this organization will help you. So today we discussed about future of websites and role of e-commerce. Thank you.